Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another Funky Friday video. The song I'm going to be playing for you guys today is going to be Ghost Mania. I might not be able to FC this, but it's worth a shot.
I will be streaming at least every other day, so you're going to see a lot of gaming streams on this channel.
It is worth a shot.
Alright, let's go ahead and end this, guys. Thank you so much for watching my stream.
Alright, Ghost
I'll catch you next time.
Mania.
Yeah.
Here we go.
So, 13%. At least Ken was with me, so it could have just been me and Ben. Ew. Or it could have been me and Ken, or it could have just been me. Alright, let's get it. Woo! That was an excellent episode. Edible Giraffe, thank you for the $2 donation. I thought Kenny would stay behind. It looks like I got the option where Ghost Moon came. Honestly, Christian and Omega are cool now. They're cool now, especially this episode. I wasn't really following them too much because at the beginning, bro, y'all saw the way she was just nagging at me when she joined the group 12 hours ago. But now she's cool. She's earned her spot in the group. She's officially an OG member now. We got our crew, bro. We got our crew. All I need to know is that if Maria is going to die, who the hell is going to be the main character until season 4? Like, is it going to be a new person every time and then they bring back Clementine story in season 4? That's how it's going to be? I mean, I kind of dig that. A new group every time. And then season 4, like, we're bringing back the original group. I'm done with that. But yeah, bro. Wow! My boy Leroy is dead. He's not surviving that. He is a dead man, so he is clearly dying in season 1, bro. Because I knew he died before season 4. I really didn't know. I mean, it makes sense now. It makes sense now, you know. You can't introduce a dope-ass character like Leroy Jenkins and just let him live. He's too badass, bro. That much badassness can't survive, man.
Okay, we're gonna redo that. I accidentally opened the chat.
But make sure y'all are following that Twitter. I pinned it to the top of this live chat.
Let's redo that.
The Twitter, that way you'll be able to vote on the next game that we play, whether it be Walking Dead, GTA 5, Roblox, Among Us, or any other games that you decide that we should play.
Ghost
you will be
Mania
able to get a
difficulty.
chance to vote or choose the next
Right, here we go.
So just follow
try
the
to
Twitter
not
and
press the
Instagram.
chat
I made you do
again.